Right, I thought I'd show you the BENRO tripod I bought the other day for shooting. It's a carbon fibre one, but I think it may be a little tall. I'm actually 6'2", and I think it's a bit tall at the moment. I'll have to take it down. Anyway, it's BENRO Mach 3. I'll put the, oh there we are, TMA48CXL. I actually find that just with the bottom leg in, brings it down to the right height. And then I've got a SUNWAYFOTO XB-44G GNN ball head on that. Very nice and smooth. And a quick release for the Arca. Bit of fun anyway. Right, what can I say about this tripod? It's got some lovely large twist adjusters. So you can shorten the feet back or extend them. At the moment I've got the bottom leg actually screwed in, otherwise it would be too tall. Although the other night I was out foxing and I was on an incline and had the bottom feet out at different heights to get my level. Anyway, if you pull this bit out, then you can bring the leg all the way up, or there are different stops part way. So you've only got two positions, well, three positions. You've got halfway and all the way. Not that I'll probably use that, I'm mainly just going to be using it in this configuration. So yeah, you've got three adjusters. Right, you'll see on this rifle I've put a MDT Arca Swiss rail on. I've actually moved it all the way to the back here and I had to drill and tap the stock for the rear screw. But that makes mounting on the tripod very easy. Just put it on the tripod, slide it up to the stop, and that's it clamped in. The main balance point on the rifle is about there with the moderator on, etc. And then you can just easily traverse or pan, come down, come up, and as you can see it stays there because I've got the resistance set on the ball head to just about right. As you can see, it's quite nice. I can actually do with an illuminated level to tell me if I'm canted over one way or the other. But that's set up just right. Again, you move the safety forward and bring it all the way around, and then your rifle's out again. Again, rifle in, up against the stops, clamp in, and it's set and ready to go. Right, I thought I'd give a bit more information on the SUNWAYFOTO ball head. Very nice piece of kit this. It's got a quick release on the Arca Swiss, which to activate you've actually got to slide that up before it will move round to release. Very nice. Then we've got a couple of knobs on the side. This one actually locks the panning. So you can adjust it to however much you want it to travel. Again, this one is for the ball head, I've got it set very stiff at the moment. And that screw there actually limits how far you can back that off. So you can actually have the resistance set so you can't back it off too far and let the thing fall away. So at the moment I've got this set very stiff indeed. If I wanted to free it off, I'll just unwind that. That'll then let this knob go back round further, and as you can see, that actually is now moving quite easily. If I tighten that back up, then tighten that again, that'll limit how far I can undo that. And I've done it too much, so just need to back that off a bit. That's better. So yeah, that is simply limiting, that small adjuster there is limiting how far you can undo that, and therefore limits the amount of resistance, or imposes more resistance anyway, and then that locks it off completely. But a very nice piece of kit that.